What divisions are threatening to undermine the unity of the G7 summit in 2026? Deep fractures are emerging that could reshape global cooperation and stall critical decisions. One major division at the 2026 G7 summit comes from differing economic policies. Some members push for tighter monetary measures to combat inflation, while others advocate for stimulus spending to support growth. Additionally, trade tensions have resurfaced, with debates over tariffs and supply chain security creating friction. These economic disagreements threaten to delay unified action on global challenges and could weaken the G7's influence on the world stage. Climate change remains a contentious topic at the 2026 summit. While all members agree on the urgency, they differ on how aggressively to pursue emission cuts and the role of fossil fuels. Some countries want faster transitions to renewable energy, while others emphasize energy security and economic impacts. This discord challenges the G7's ability to present a united front in global climate negotiations and could slow progress on vital environmental initiatives. Geopolitical tensions also threaten to undermine the G7's unity. Members have varying stances on relations with major powers like China and Russia. Some support stronger sanctions and confrontational policies, while others call for dialogue and engagement. These conflicting approaches to diplomacy and security complicate efforts to agree on joint strategies, risking fragmentation within the group just as the global political landscape grows more volatile. Technology governance is another dividing line. Issues like data privacy, AI regulation, and supply chain security are hotly debated. Some members want stringent controls and common standards, while others prioritize innovation and national sovereignty. Cybersecurity cooperation is also uneven, with mistrust slowing joint efforts to combat threats. These divisions highlight how rapidly evolving tech challenges can test international alliances. The 2026 G7 summit faces serious internal divisions on economy, climate, geopolitics, and technology. These rifts could challenge the group's ability to act together on critical global issues. Understanding these dynamics helps you see why international cooperation is so fragile. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, and stay curious about the forces shaping our world.